Do you ever find yourself feeling lost and confused about what you should do to be loved by your special someone? Are you tired of second-guessing your actions and wondering if you're doing enough to capture his heart? Well, you're not alone. Every woman has pondered these questions at some point in her life, and in this video, we have just the answers you've been seeking. Today, we're going to uncover the 10 irresistible things that men love in women. Qualities that will not only make you lovable, but also empower you to embrace your true self. So, are you ready to discover the keys to a man's heart? Let's dive in. Number 10. Women who embrace their femininity. While some men may find gamers or tomboys attractive, the majority of men are drawn towards women who embrace their femininity. Yes. Firstly, it's essential to understand that femininity, for men, isn't synonymous with weakness. Rather, it encompasses qualities like being delicate, kind, or classy. Hence, taking charge or leading is undoubtedly appealing to men, but they also appreciate a woman who embraces their feminine side by letting him be the man. Men find it extremely attractive when a woman is comfortable stepping back and letting him handle tasks traditionally associated with masculinity. When a woman doesn't feel the need to compete for control and allows the man to take charge in certain situations, it creates a sense of balance and harmony in the relationship. This doesn't mean that you have to be submissive or rely on others for everything, but what it means is that it's completely okay to allow a man to lend a helping hand, as it makes him showcase his skills and feel valued in the relationship. Number 9. Women who speak the truth. It's true that men appreciate women who can satisfy their egos and support them, but what many men truly lack in their lives is brutal honesty and real opinion. Yes, men are captivated by women who are unapologetically honest and are willing to call them out when needed. Men seek a genuine partner who is brave enough to speak the truth, no matter how difficult it may be. This means that when she believes he's in the wrong, she should be able to express it constructively. Similarly, if she feels he's not putting in enough effort, she should be able to communicate her thoughts honestly and respectfully. Such directness helps build trust and creates a space for open communication. So, if you want him to start loving you, try being real and brutally honest, because that's what he needs. Number 8. Women who understand their emotional needs. Societal expectations and traditional behaviors have for centuries expected men to always appear tough and composed. However, behind that facade, men need a partner with whom they can be truly vulnerable. Every man needs a safe space where he can let his guard down and be his authentic self without any pretense of strength. So, being that person he can be defenseless with is a priceless gift for him. When he comes home after facing the world all day, he should feel comfortable and accepted, knowing that he does not have to put up a front. Creating an environment where he can express his emotions freely without fear of judgment allows him to experience emotional release and find solace in your companionship. In its true essence, all he wants is for you to reassure him that it's okay to feel weak at times, and a woman who can do that is extremely appealing to him. Number 7. Women who can handle hardships. Women are often seen as overly emotional and whiny beings in times of crisis. They are considered emotionally weak people who do not know how to handle hardships. Due to this, men truly value a woman who can handle their issues and support them through tough times. When a man faces challenges or difficult situations, having a partner who can cope with those issues to the best of her ability is incredibly reassuring. Being there for him, listening without judgment, and offering your support can have a significant impact on his well-being and the strength of your relationship. Remember, being a pillar of strength and support doesn't mean you have to fix everything for him. Sometimes all you need to do is be an empathetic and trustworthy partner who stands by his side in every phase of life. Number 6. Women who are not too complicated. Having standards is essential, but being excessively high-handed or mean to others can be a major turn-off for men. Yes, men appreciate women who are easygoing and not overly demanding or difficult to deal with. Being easygoing doesn't mean compromising your values or settling for less. It's about being flexible, understanding, and approachable. Men are drawn to women who can handle situations with grace and positivity, making the relationship feel smooth and enjoyable. So, if you want your man to fall in love with you, consider being open-minded and willing to adapt. Show kindness and compassion to others, as this will demonstrate your warmth and genuine character. By being easygoing and understanding, you create a safe and comfortable space for your partner to be himself. Number 5. Women who can lend an empathetic ear. In many situations, men are perceived as strong individuals who are expected to lend a listening ear and offer support to others. However, when a man finds a woman who genuinely listens to him with empathy and understanding, it's like finding a rare gem in a sea of stones for him. When a woman takes the time to listen to a man's stories, problems, and concerns, it shows that she values his thoughts and feelings. Her ability to listen, give advice, uplift, and positively influence a man's mood can have a profound impact on his opinion of her. When she makes him happy, he returns and becomes motivated to reciprocate and make her feel just as special and loved. This mutual appreciation and emotional support form a strong foundation for a thriving partnership. Number 4. Women who get them. Men are often stereotyped as being complicated because they may not express their emotions as openly as women, but they still crave a partner who truly gets them. They want a woman who takes the time to understand their needs, nature, behaviors, and habits. Having someone who can provide them with what they want and need is incredibly important to them. For instance, when a man is going through a tough phase in life, he craves a woman who comprehends his struggles and can be there to support his emotional needs. Similarly, if he is a workaholic and dedicated to his career, he seeks a woman who is low maintenance in terms of time. A partner who understands his commitment to work and respects his priorities will create a harmonious and balanced relationship. What men truly desire is a woman who can read them like an open book. They long for someone who can tune into their emotions, moods, and unspoken needs. Number 3. Women who can induce chemistry. Chemistry is a powerful force that draws men to women. For men, chemistry goes far beyond just physical intimacy. It's about the deeper connection, vibe, and psychological wavelength they feel with a partner. What men truly want is a partner with whom they can engage in endless conversations, someone who keeps them interested and eager for more. They love the excitement of discovering how the relationship will unfold in the days to come. Now, a woman who can show chemistry, knows how to flirt playfully without being clingy or overwhelming, is the woman he needs. This woman dresses well and exudes confidence without revealing too much, leaving room for intrigue and mystery. She has a range of topics to talk about, making her interesting to be around. This is the kind of woman he truly desires. So, if you want a man to be attracted to you, developing that chemistry is essential, because that chemistry is what you'll need to captivate him in the days to come. Number 2. Women who inspire them. Men are naturally attracted to women who inspire them to be better individuals. When a woman exudes ambition, passion, and kindness all at once, it sparks admiration and respect in men. Seeing her fearlessly pursue her dreams and be happy motivates men to do the same, fostering a deep emotional connection. So, how can she inspire him? It's quite simple, by focusing on herself. A woman who dedicates herself to her work or passion while maintaining a naturally sweet and kind demeanor towards others can leave a lasting impression on a man. As he watches her kindness and hard work, he feels inspired to improve himself and become a better version of himself. Number 1. Women who can give them space. Men value their independence and personal time just as much as women do. When a woman respects and understands his need for space, it shows that she trusts him and recognizes the importance of individuality in the relationship. Allowing a man to have his personal space doesn't mean neglecting the relationship. It's about striking a balance between togetherness and independence. Giving him the freedom to pursue his hobbies, spend time with friends, or engage in activities he enjoys demonstrates your confidence and secure attachment. When a man feels that he can be himself and have his own space within the relationship, it strengthens the bond between both parties. So there you have it, the 10 things that you can do to make a man fall in love with you. Inspire him with your ambition and passion, and be honest and open in your communication. Offer him support and understanding, give him the space he needs to flourish, and see how it transforms his liking for you into love. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, stay tuned and keep exploring the exciting world of human psychology. Thanks for watching.